Good morning, guys. Okay, so to be able to access the different classrooms, all right, um, first of all, you've got to be connected to your Google account with your Greenwich School email, all right. Then uh, you'll have to go to classes, all right, and you'll have here all your different classrooms, all right, and you'll have to go to whatever subject you've got at that moment, and this will appear, okay, enlace de meet. You press on there, and it will send you to this page. Check here, okay, if you're still on your Greenwich School account, all right, because sometimes it changes, all right. Um, Problems with my camera. Then you press to here, okay, and this information shouldn't appear for you. Again, you will appear into your Google Classroom. All right. Then to leave, you leave there, okay, and you close it. You change to a different subject whenever you've got to change class. All right, to, for example, biology of primero C. Okay. Um, this is for me, all right, and you will have a link, okay, to a new classroom. Always check that you're still in your Greenwich School account. All right. See you guys.